Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zapsiu, and it's Happy New Year time here in Taiwan. And Leo, maybe today again you can introduce some songs or nursery rhymes. 要这个让 Leo 来介绍，不管是歌曲啦或童谣方面，然后又要跟过年有关的这样子的童谣。
没问题，
没问题吗？哇，你好快哦！
当然快啊！
真的哈，好，这什么样的童谣要不要念给我们听？
好，那我就先念了初一就发初一頭，初二就發新年頭，初三又講窮鬼日，初四就發了人日，初五初六剩夏天，七唔去八唔歸，九九十十看大師，11、12亮燈出，13、14過夜班，過完夜班張來歸。
不是張來了啊，
不是
張來歸。張來歸什麼意思啊？
張來歸歸就是南部的客家，南四縣的講法就是回家的意思。
歸，對不對？
對，歸。Okay. 北四縣叫做轉。
Okay. So based on what Leo just read there, and it's a nursery rhyme, I can sort of make it because he's naming the days of New Year's. 我可以听得出来你在讲初一、初二、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10，一直到15，对不对？半月嘛，哈。然后最后你 at the end he says something about 歸 and that means going back home, I think. I guess 就是 Chinese New Year 这个新年到了15，就是该回家了，是不是？
对，也就该恢复正常的工作、生活形态这样子。
所以这整个里面就是我讲的没错嘛，对不对？就是讲初一、初二一直到这个初15的时候会发生的一些事情嘛。
对。它里面有讲到一个那个小朋友一定很喜欢的，那就是看大石。
宽大石，看那个很大的狮子，
也不是啦，是看打狮。打狮的意思就是
舞龙舞狮的这个活动。That's right. So again, this nursery rhyme depicts a lot of things that happen each and every day for the 15 days of Chinese New Year. And one of the things that children must love is watching the dancing lions and dragons during Chinese New Year. But don't forget, after the 15th day, it's time to return back to normal. And once again, Happy New Year to you all! 谢谢 Leo 今天来介绍的童谣，在这里呢也祝 Leo 新年快乐。
新年快乐。
Happy New Year! And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.